Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to try on some new fit. I have these things to try on. So I will unpack all these to check the first impressions, and we'll also discuss about the fit and the styling if they are actually worth it, and also we'll check the real life quality. So let's get started. Okay, this is a cherry red off shoulder top and I just love how it fits on me. The fit is very snug on the chest area. It doesn't come down because it has a elastic here. So it fits very well, and also I love the fabric because it is stretchable, perfect for Valentine's Day or date night, or even when you just want to uplift your mood. I can pair with any high waisted, even low waisted bottom, and the length of the top is quite decent as I am seeing here. This you see, it goes with Korean pants, jeans, and any kind of shorts, and also I can cover up with shirt, or if I don't want to keep it off shoulder and I just want to show the design in the front. I just love this one. This is the first impression of the first outfit. Solid black top, a basic one with buttons in the front. The fabric has a ribbed design and it is also very stretchable. There is a baby hemlock design on the sleeves. In the hemline there is a design, and which is very pretty feminine kind of design I find. And I just love how the neckline is very modest, kind of perfect for even office wear or any formal events. And always I can layer it up with any blazer, sweatshirt, or any kind of outerwear to match the vibe of the place I am going to. This is perfect to wear with any mid-rise bottom, just like I am wearing here, and also I can wear with any high-rise bottom, of course. And also it is giving me a kind of snatched fit, which I love. You see, so it is a basic one but a good one. Okay, the next one is a bottom which I am wearing with the same top, and I am showing you how is the bottom looking with the top. It is a basic bottom in earthy tone color, brown color, which is one of my favorite. Also has pockets, which I love. Material of the bottom is also kind of stretchable. I am showing you the full fit. Just wait for a moment. I just love the flowy fit of this bottom. Very comfortable to wear. The material is kind of stretchable, not very stretchable, but it is moderately stretchable as I am seeing. Wear it in the gym on upper body days. Brown color has a earthy tone, so it goes with any kind of neutral palette like black, beige. Okay, you can think about these shorts as a loungewear, I mean, chill at home or beach wear, or if you are comfortable wearing in gym, you can always wear in the gym. It is a low rise short, so it is quite comfortable to wear for a long time because high rise comes around this area. So it is not much comfortable if you are eating, sitting for a long time, or chilling. So perfect for chilling as I mentioned. And it has a kind of stripes here, so looks cool with this kind of t-shirt. The t-shirt also matches with the, I mean, the shorts, so the combo looks quite cool, which I feel like is written you are enough, always you are enough, and you are more than enough. So this is that cotton t-shirt, and the fabric of the t-shirt is quite comfortable for summer mainly, because I feel like after 1 month I need to wear this kind of pieces all the time. Perfect for travel also. I can wear it in the airport and pair it with any kind of trouser maybe, or jogger. It is a loose fit t-shirt, but I have bought it in XL to make it a bit more oversized. You can always size down if you like kind of fitted t-shirts. I just love this kind of dresses which has a kind of straps yet adjustable, cute vibe with a bow kind of stuff. I love the sweetheart neck design here, and the length of the gown is quite flowy. It is perfect for vacation, party wear, or any kind of event, special days, even birthdays. And it has a black textured kind of fabric lining inside also. Hope you can see the stitches here, how it flows from the waistline. This is just a cute fit with a kind of corporate vibe. This striped dress is perfect for days when you don't want to feel like dressing up but yet want to look put together. So it has a also flowy gown kind of length, but it is not giving any party dress vibe. So it is perfect for day wear, casual wear, outings, or even office wear. You can also wear it to corporate events because the pinstripes here giving a kind of corporate fit, and the black and white combo, you can never go wrong with this kind of combo. So pair with any transparent heels or even white or black sneakers. Just love how the fabric is not transparent, it's very opaque kind of fabric, comfortable to wear for a long time because you have only one elastic around this area, and which is not that an amount of snug, just giving a kind of pattern just to give a fit right here. I love the neckline of the outfit also. It has a kind of sweetheart neckline, but it is not deep. Kind of modest outfit look, which I generally love for daily wear. The sleeves are puffed sleeve. You can see there is a elastic giving a kind of puffed look around this area. Looks pretty cute. Fabric is soft on the skin. I just love this for its simplicity. Okay, now we are done with all the try on and fit checks, and now tell me which one is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love my content. Also follow me on Instagram. Don't be a stranger. I would love to see you there. My Instagram account is Get Fit with Show Me. It is mentioned in the channel description, also at the end of the videos. And also I have linked everything, all the products in the description. So go check them out if you want to. So let's end today's vlog here, and I will meet you on my next vlog. Till then, I love you. Bye.